Hello my friends, how's everybody doing out there in the YouTube land? So today I'm going to talk about 1 million. Okay, so before I get this video started, I just want to say, a few videos ago I did a first impression on the VOSS 989 Moto V helmet, and I said I hadn't put in the pin lock yet. Let me tell you, I put the pin lock in, and if y'all are not using the pin lock, y'all need to wake up, because the pin lock right here, this is the shit, man. I'm telling you, like, seriously, like, I don't know how I'd live without it. I will never have another helmet without a pin lock. So anyway, as you see in the thumbnail and the title, 1 million. No, I did not hit the lottery. So as of right now, I'm not paying for anything at PAM, if there ever is a PAM. So I talked about in one of my videos how I was a truck driver and I've been driving for 25 years and blah blah blah, yada yada yada, and that's up here somewhere. So one of the accomplishments that I have achieved while being a truck driver is 1 million safe miles driven. No accidents, none of that shit. And while I achieved this a decade ago, it is still something that I'm very proud of. You know, you look at the average person drives 15,000 miles a year, just give or take. So even if we round that up to 20,000 miles a year, it takes the average person 5 years to go 100,000 miles. In turn, takes the average person 50 years to do 1 million. So most people in their lifetime are not going to drive 1 million miles. Now granted, I drive for a living, I get paid for it, but it's still an achievement to do it safely, without accident. And that's driving through every kind of weather you can imagine. I'm talking 6-8 inches of snow on the ground and I'm still moving. So yeah, it is an achievement. It is like a serious achievement. Like, I've actually gotten, after I hit my 1 million miles, I got a letter from Pennsylvania State Senator. I got a letter from, and I actually got to, you know, he wanted me to come in and get an award. Our local state representative, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, I mean, to me it's an achievement. Now the downside to that is, at approximately 1.2, 1.3 million safe miles, I had an accident. I was working during the daytime and I had a 5 o'clock a.m. start time. So this accident happened at roughly 4 o'clock p.m., which means I was almost working for 11 hours. I mean, I was working for 11 hours. I was trying to get done, and I was trying to back my trailer into a customer's dock that was extremely tight, and I wound up backing into a UPS tractor trailer. I call it a UPS tractor trailer's hood. So just like that, poof, my safe miles were gone. So I'm starting over. Who knows when I'll get to my next 1 million safe? I have no idea. It took me 13 years or so to get to my first. Now, an average driver, it normally takes about 10 years to get to 1,000,000 miles, but I was running short runs and wasn't getting a lot of miles in a week. So, yeah, it kind of sucks that just like that, because I was an asshole when I was in a hurry. I was trying to get done. I didn't want to be out there any longer on the road, and I fucked it up. So ain't nothing else you can say about that. But yeah, I just, you know, I just figured I'd share that achievement with you. Something else you didn't know about me. So this is where I'm going to end this video. But I'm just going to say again, get the fucking pin lock, dude. This thing is like, my gosh. My God, why didn't I do this sooner? Get the pin lock. So, alright, my friends. Until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.